This is the Britannia and Liberty 2024 1 ounce silver bullion coin. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. The Britannia and Liberty silver bullion coin. So this one is limited to 260,500 coins worldwide. Not sure why they made the 500 on the edge, but that's what it's limited to. And yeah, I picked this one up from the Royal Mint recently, and it's interesting design. It's quite reflective. So there's not much matte involved, which means that I feel like the lines on it don't actually pop as much because it's just all reflective surfaces with like mild edging along it. So it's very. I've actually mounted a bit of an angle to try and get a better look at it, because obviously you've got like Britannia up top here with the trident. If you turn it upside down, then you see Lady Liberty there, and it's quite hard to actually, especially in an image, get it or on a video rather, get it focused in. But anyway, so I've mounted this angle. This is the best you're going to probably get. I've tried multiple different lighting angles. So yeah, it's quite hard to do this one. This is one which, but it's a nice design. I do like it. So let's jump into what we're looking at. This was a collaboration with the US Mint, and that was in a partnership with Gordon Summers and Joseph Menner, the chief engravers of each of the mints, have collaborated on a coin design together for the first time ever. And this design unites national symbols Britannia and Liberty, as we've just looked at here. Physical representation of the special relationship, a phrase coined by Sir Winston Churchill in 1946, shared between the United Kingdom and the United States. So that's where this coin design has come from. It's inspired by the concept of court cards. Britannia and Liberty share equal prominence on the masterfully crafted design that represents the skill and experience of each chief engraver. Well, obviously we say that they have equal prominence, but let's be honest, Liberty is upside down on this coin, in my opinion, just based on how the design works out. Then again, that would make sense just because, Britannia gets the place of provenance because it's a British coin, so that would make sense. But yeah, so anyway, the figures represent fortitude and freedom, virtues that underpin national identities of both the UK and US. So it's fair to have them both coins. I actually held off on getting this one for a while, but then I saw it and thought, I will get it into my collection, so that's fine. The bullion editions of this are the only bullion iterations available to purchase that incorporate this design. So I don't believe this is the only version you're going to get. So even though there are quite a lot of versions of it, it's limited to 260,500 worldwide. According to the information here that I'm seeing here, there are only 10,000 1 ounce 909.9 fine silver bullion coins available to purchase through the Royal Mint. So that's an interesting fact. And there's no household limit, which is, to be honest, if you want to get them, you'll find a place to get them. But yeah, it's not bad. It's obviously got the standard Jennings Charles on the back. That never gets old, but it's fine. And obviously we have Britannia and we have Liberty. And like I said, the line, I would feel like they could have made more use of matte or frosting on this design. The edge is milled, so it's quite easy to grip. But, and obviously it does say on it Britannia Liberty across the top. And then it says 2024 1 ounce 999 fine silver. So we know that. Obviously, as I said before, this design here was by Gordon Summers and Joseph Menner. The back is Jennings, Martin Jennings, and yeah, it's not a bad coin. I do like it. One thing that I did think as soon as I saw it was that's very shiny, that's very polished. There's a lot of room for, especially with some of the milk spots and stuff that you can get coming out of these mints. Although this is actually not a bad version of it. There's quite a lot of room for tarnishing or general, problems if you're not going to preserve your coin very well. So anyway, this is not a bad coin. It's just I feel like they might have, especially for a collaboration between two master engravers, I feel like the lines might have been a little bit more defined. Because if you look at Britannia here, straight up it just looks plain. But if I angle it, all the details come into light. Now maybe that was actually just part of the design. I don't know, but yeah, still nice bullion coin to put in the collection. So it's going back in its capsule.